Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. I had some questions about the twin stick setup on my 85 Toyota. So today I'll explain how it works and give a few examples of how it's helpful off-road. The twin stick gives you full independent operation of the 2 shift forks in the transfer case. And that gives you the option to have 2 high. Now it's in neutral, but it also gives you the option for 2 low. And we'll go over the benefits of that in a minute. Now this is 4 low, 4-wheel drive's engaged, and neutral. Now I'm in 4 high. Now I'm back into 2 high. We're in my stock 87 now, and it's in 2 high. Now 4 high, neutral, and 4 low. There's a few reasons why I've really grown to like this setup and having 2-wheel drive low range. The biggest reason is that my truck has a front locker, and when I'm off-road with the hubs locked and 4-wheel drive engaged, both front wheels are turning at the same speed, which greatly reduces the turning radius. So if I'm on a tight trail like this and I need to make a sharp turn, I can just shift into 2-wheel drive real quick and stay in low gear. No need to hop out and unlock a hub. Then go back into 4-wheel drive after I clear the corner. The twin stick is only available for manual transmission trucks. When you're driving off-road all day in 4-low, you get really used to the engagement of the clutch and the amount of gas pedal you need to apply as you're letting out on the clutch pedal. Think about the end of the day when you're back on pavement and how weird it feels to be feathering the clutch and gas pedals in high range versus low range that you've gotten used to. Well, the twin stick eliminates that difference in clutch engagement when switching from low to high in the trail, because now I can stay in low in 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. I actually use 2-wheel drive low a lot around my property because it's perfect when I use my truck for moving a trailer or hauling things around the yard. One more example where the twin stick has been really helpful is if I'm in a sticky situation on a trail where I'm sideways on an incline. I can pop the clutch in 2 low and spin the tires easily to rotate the truck and point it up in the direction I want to go. That was hard to picture, so we'll take a look at that one in my son's sandbox. I'm on a slope like this, but I want to go this way. Just give it some gas and pop the clutch in 2 low. The rear of the truck will slide down when the tires spin. Then shift back into 4 low and keep on going. That's not something I recommend for beginners. You really have to know your limits and be on the right terrain. But I've used it for that a couple times, and it beats doing a multi-point turn on a sketchy trail or slope. Snail Trail 4x4 has a great video on installing a twin stick. I'll put that link in the description. I'll put a link to the low-range off-road twin stick setup in the description as well. Trail Gear has one too. It's a little more expensive, also in the description. No, Front Range didn't sponsor this video or give me any parts, just answering viewer questions. So if there's anything else you'd like to know about my 85 or any of my other Toyotas, let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching.